Hey, welcome back to the No Code Minute. Let's continue our grocery list tutorial. Last time we set up a repeating group so we can display the list of data. Now to actually show what is in that list on the screen, we need to add elements to that repeating group. So let's add an image element to our repeating group now. Click on Image under Visual Elements. Put it inside the repeating group. We're going to make it a 45 by 45 pixel width and height. Put it all the way to the edge. Center it vertically. And this is where you get the image information from. It's a dynamic image, not static, because dynamic means it changes depending on what cell it's in. Click on Current Cell's Grocery Store Item, and it's image. There you go. Okay, next time in making Grocery List Part 6, let's add the description. Hope you enjoyed. Please like the video and remember to subscribe.